We should not take advice from four people. You need advice, but choose who you need to take advice. What are these four people? Person with half baked knowledge. They don't have the proper knowledge of what the question you ask. So you have a doubt in a subject, you ask the expert the same question. Don't ask for someone who don't have the knowledge. Persons deliberately delay work. The person who lazy, they don't do their work properly. They are delayed people. Never ask doubt to them. Inherently lazy people. They are highly lazy. These people who do the work but do it lately, don't ask. Second, always lazy, don't ask. And flatterers. This word flatterers, I will say 1 minute. The flatterers are the people who, துதிப்பாடுறது, it will say in Tamil. People who always don't know who they, whoever they come, they'll praise them without knowing them or knowing their worth. Even they are a ill-treated person, they will prize them. Only thing is they want to prize someone. So if you go to seek advice from someone who prizes you, you will never succeed. So don't go to people who don't have the knowledge of the question you ask. Second, the person who knows the knowledge but they delay the work, they won't give you the data at the part time. So don't go to them. Third, don't go to the person who is completely lazy. Don't. Fourth, person who knows the data and he is fast, but he prizes you. Then he that may lead you to do wrong decisions. Never go and get answer from them too. So the other than these four people, you can go and get the advice that will lead you to success.